We successfully transferred 51 XRP from Coins.Ph to our Binance. How to transfer XRP here in Coins.Ph to Binance. That's what we're going to talk about today after an intro. Now we will try to transfer XRP here in Coins.Ph to Binance. Let's just select XRP. Here you will notice that I have 74 XRP, and that is what we will try to transfer to Binance. Let's go to our Binance account. And here in our Binance find and press the deposit. Click XRP. Choose Ripple. Here you will find the XRP contract address and XRP destination tag that we need. This is what we copy and paste into our Coins.Ph. Now let's go back to our Coins.Ph. Because we will move XRP here in Coins.Ph to Binance. Let's click Send. Choose Enter XRP wallet address. Here we will put the XRP contract address and destination tag. Let's now put the XRP contract address we copied in the Binance. Then we copy the XRP destination tag to our Binance and make sure that the numbers are correct from beginning to end as well as our XRP wallet address. Click Copy and let's go back to our Coins.Ph account. Let's now enter the XRP destination tag we copied. Make sure the numbers entered are correct from beginning to end. Then press Send XRP. Here we need the name and surname of the recipient or transfer of our XRP, as well as the platform or wallet exchange, so let's choose here as Binance. Choose Binance. We must put the recipient name and surname here because even if we click on Next, it will not continue. Now I will put my name as well as my last name. Click Next and then let's enter how much XRP we will transfer to our Binance. I will put 51 XRP, so I still have 23 XRP left in my Coins.Ph. Click Next, then check the small box, then click the slide to continue. Now we'll send an OTP or one-time password via text message, and this is what we will enter. Let's take a look at our text message to see if the OTP or one-time password that we will copy has been sent to us. Let's enter the OTP or one-time password and click Submit. Let's check our XRP if it has been reduced by 51. And now it's only 23 XRP left. The good things about Coins.Ph is that when you transfer XRP to another exchange platform like Binance, the transaction fees are very low, only 0.25 XRP. Now let's wait a few minutes before the 51 XRP we transferred from Coins.Ph enters here at the Binance account. Shout out to 1,100 subscribers. By the way, I am MrCryptoHUNTER who continues to be grateful for patronizing and subscribing to my YouTube channel.
Few moments later.
After a few minutes, 51 XRP successfully entered, which we transferred from Coins.Ph to our Binance account. We successfully transferred 51 XRP from Coins.Ph to our Binance. Have you ever tried to transfer XRP from Coins.Ph to Binance or Binance to Coins.Ph? Please comment below, and if you have learned or liked this video of mine, don't forget to click the subscribe button and notification bell so that I can always update you in my next video tutorials. Thank you for watching and always be careful.